Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're in the room. Now make sure your browser has permission to use camera and microphone so sharing is smooth. Once done, close unused tabs and apps to reduce lag and confirm the correct camera and mic are selected. Next, locate the call controls bar at the bottom of the screen. That's where sharing begins. Make sure you're comfortable with what you'll show. Prepare the window or tab you want to present so switching is quick and clean. Click the Share Screen button. A chooser appears letting you pick entire screen, window, or Chrome tab. If you need sound, choose a tab and check Share Audio. For multiple apps, pick entire screen. Once you select the item, press Share, and Whereby will broadcast that view to everyone in the room. Make sure to switch to the presented content immediately so attendees see the relevant material. If you need to change what's shown, stop sharing and select a different source. To finish, click Stop Sharing in the control bar. Your camera and mic will remain active. If participants report they can't see your screen, make sure Whereby has screen capture permission in browser settings, then reload the page and rejoin the room. Also confirm you selected the correct screen/window and that no privacy overlays are blocking capture. For missing audio, reshare the tab with Share Audio enabled and verify your system sound settings. If problems persist, restart the browser and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.